Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 2, OV 12. स्वये आधी संत भावे, मग संता यथार्थ जाणावे, तेथ मी संतासी काय वानावे, हे मज ठावे आधीच. One should become a saint oneself, then try to understand the saints. So, I already know my limitations in describing the saints. सप्तसागरीचे पाणी, तयाची ही करवेल मापणी, आकाशासी घालवेल गवसणी, परीन आयणी संत येती. The waters of the seven seas, those can be measured. The skies can be covered, but there is no mirror to reflect a saint. जाणे मनी मी एक पामर, परी बाबांचा प्रताप अनिवार, पाहुनी उठे गावयाची लहर, तीही अनावर हो पाहे. I know that I am an insignificant person, but when I realize Baba's tremendous powers, there arise uncontrollable emotional ripples of song. जय जयाजी साईराया, दीन दुबळ्यांची या विसाविया, अगाध नवर्णवे तुझी माया, करी कृपाया दासावरी. Hail, hail Sai Raya, the refuge of the weak and the destitute. Infinite is your love and indescribable. Have mercy on me, your servant. लहान तोंडी मोठा घास, तैसे हे होईल माझे साहस, होऊ न देई माझा उपहास, वाटे हा इतिहास लिहावा. With limited capacities, I am undertaking this venture of writing this account. Do not let me be ridiculed. संत चरित्रे जे जे लिहिती, तयावरी भगवंताची प्रीती, ऐसे महाराज ज्ञानेश्वर वदती, धरावी भीती मग मी का. Maharaj Jnaneshwar says that whosoever writes biographies of saints are blessed by God. Then, why should I be afraid? माझिया मनी ही स्फूर्ती, चेतविती तीच भगवंत मूर्ती, स्वयं जरी मी जड मूढमती, निज कार्य पूर्ती ती जाणे. This inspiration to write was kindled by God Himself, although I am dense and dull-witted. He knows how best His own work can be completed. भक्त जी जी सेवा कल्पिती, संत स्वयेची करवुनी घेती, भक्त केवळ कारण निमित्ती, सकळ स्फूर्ती संतांची. Whatever services devotees think of rendering to saints, it is the saints themselves who get it done. The devotees are merely the ordained instruments. The real inspiration comes from the saints. सारांश हा साई स्वये करवी, निज चरित्र मज मूर्खा करवी, तेणेची या कथेची थोरवी, गौरवी जे आदरे. Essentially, it is Sai himself who is making me, an ignorant person, to write his own life story. Therein lies the greatness of this book, which evokes reverence and respect. साधू संत अथवा श्री हरी, कोणातेही धरुनी निज करी, आपुली कथा आपण करी, निज कर शिरी ठेवनी. Ascetics, saints or God can get their story written by anyone they chose. by conferring grace upon them. जैसी शके सतराशे साली, महीपती सी बुद्धी स्फुरली, साधू संता ही सेवा घेतली, चरित्रे लिहविली त्या करवी. Just as in the 1700 Shake, the saints inspired a person named Mahipati to render service to them and got their life stories written by him.